Okay, we're back at home. I'm home by myself. Momo just used me to get to where he wanted to go, and then he abandoned me, as usual. This is some solar lights I have in the yard, and that noise you hear is a bunch of hoodlums over there. They, when I do like that, I turn the light on. I want to see what the hell's going on over there. Alexa, turn on the palm. See my light? Oh my god, it's fucking daylight. What's going on over there? Pretty nice light, huh? Oh, it's alright. Oh my god. Alexa. 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 Turn off the palm. Well, I am old, but I figured out what this Alexa crap's all about. Controls switches. Just tell Alexa anywhere you want, turn this on, turn that on. I'm trying to get girlfriends involved, but she unplugged one of them. She said she felt better getting out of bed and turn the light off instead of automatic. Anyway, it didn't work out in there, but it's worked out in a couple other places, as you can tell. This is my outdoor pen. See if anybody's home. No. Oh, it's pretty. Oh, it's Boo Boo in there. Yeah, there's the Boo Boo right there. Yeah, there he goes. He's a pretty affectionate guy. But see, he's not allowed outside, even though he was an outside cat. I try to keep them all inside. And I've devised this here for the other three, so they can experience outside. See, I just got it into a door that's for sliding glass doors. I got it off of Facebook Marketplace or OfferUp. You can get them. So I just lift the door up on the other side and crank the tube in there. And whenever I don't want to close that off, I just close the garage door. And all's okay. But inside, that's what it looks like inside. And there goes Boo Boo. What a Boo Boo doing? Go Boo Boo here? Go Boo Boo here? I talk to him goofy like that. Hey, the Boo Boo. Hey, the Boo Boo. You want to be a movie star? You want to be a movie star? I think he's kind of Siamese. Yeah, I don't know what he is. Don't know what he is, but beautiful cat. And he has an ear clipped. He was a stray, but his ear's clipped. So means he's fixed. All my animals are fixed. That's the best thing to do. But anyway, Momo likes to come in and out in the evening. So I rigged this door here, up and down, on a rope. And it goes over here to my chair, and I control it, pulling this. That way I don't have to get up. Call me lazy? Not real smart, but what the heck? It's a pulley here, and everything stays in place. The garage door goes down and goes up fine, and I can sit here in the man cave.
I said to him, "You can get that off." And he said, "Well," I said, "that shell suit, you're not wearing that in Wakefield prison." And he said, "You're just not aware." I said, "Not in here, you don't. You wear prison issue clothes in Wakefield. There's no exceptions."
All right, thanks for watching.